Big players chase volatility. Nectaro investors just earn. There's a saying in finance: the big players chase the waves, the smart ones just float. That's the story of today's markets in a nutshell. On one side, giants like BlackRock are diving headfirst into crypto, trading billions in assets, and riding the roller coaster of volatility. On the other, platforms like Nectaro focus on something refreshingly simple: helping everyday investors just earn stable, transparent returns. Let's unpack what that really means and why stability can sometimes beat spectacle. The big players thriving on volatility. Volatility is often seen as chaos, but for big institutions like BlackRock, it's opportunity. When markets swing wildly, the world's largest asset manager doesn't panic, it positions. In 2025, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, known as IBIT, became a dominant force in the crypto landscape, amassing nearly 800,000 Bitcoin, or roughly 3.8% of the total supply, according to data reported by the Financial Times in 2025. That's not a typo. It's a staggering amount of influence over one of the most volatile assets on Earth. So why would a company known for conservative, long-term investment management dive so deeply into such turbulence? Because volatility, when managed at scale, is a profit engine. Institutional players have access to complex hedging tools, high-frequency trading systems, and teams of analysts who thrive in markets that move fast. For them, volatility isn't the enemy. It's their favorite playground, as reported by Reuters in 2025. That's where Nectaro comes in. If BlackRock's world is about chasing volatility, Nectaro's world is about earning calmly. Nectaro is a European investment platform licensed and supervised by the Bank of Latvia, offering investors the chance to earn passive income from interest-based lending. You don't need to read crypto charts or predict market cycles. You simply invest in well-structured loan products, and Nectaro's ecosystem does the rest. Here's what makes Nectaro stand out: regulated and transparent, operating under IBF license. Nectaro follows EU financial regulations and emphasizes investor protection. Attractive interest rates. Investors can earn up to 14.5% annually, depending on loan types and durations. Low entry barrier. You can start with small amounts, as small as €50, perfect for investors looking to diversify without taking on market-size risk. Passive returns. Instead of watching charts, investors watch their portfolio grow through regular interest payments. Auto Invest feature. For true hands-off investing, Nectaro's Auto Invest tool automatically allocates your funds according to your chosen strategy. Once it's set up, your money starts working for you, even while you're offline. On top of that, starting June 2nd, 2025, Auto Invest now earns an extra 0.29% on all new investments. It's finance made human, clear, accessible, and designed for people who'd rather spend time living than speculating. Why stability wins in the long run? Let's face it, not everyone wants to chase alpha. Most people just want to see steady growth, without the adrenaline of market charts or crypto collapses. That's the beauty of platforms like Nectaro. By focusing on interest-based lending, Nectaro brings a centuries-old concept, earning interest on capital, into a modern, digital, regulated environment. Instead of speculating on whether Bitcoin will rise or fall next week, Nectaro investors earn from real economic activity. Loans to businesses and individuals. It's tangible, measurable, and far less dependent on market hype cycles. And while returns are never guaranteed, the model provides something markets rarely do: predictability. In volatile markets, people often ask, when is the best time to start investing? When it comes to Nectaro, the answer is simple: yesterday. Because consistency compounds. The earlier you start, even with small amounts, the more time your portfolio has to grow through steady, predictable returns. And after just a year, the results can surprise even seasoned retail investors. Final thoughts. The world's largest investors like BlackRock may dominate headlines with billion-dollar Bitcoin moves, but for most people, peace of mind matters more than price charts. Nectaro represents a new era of fintech, where regulated platforms empower individuals to participate in wealth creation without the stress of market speculation. You don't need to be a Wall Street trader to make your money work for you. You just need the right platform and a philosophy built on earning, not chasing. So while the big players ride the roller coaster, Nectaro investors can sit back, relax, and just earn.